Hello everyone, this is an unboxing vlog where I would be setting up a play area for my little munchkin who has started crawling and is no more an infant. Heart is so full. Well, to set a play area, I ordered this playhouse. Let's unbox this. With a lot of excitement in my heart and a scissor and a knife in my hand, I started unboxing this box, which was quite heavier for me. I'm going to set a play area for my little baby boy and this one I got online. अभी मेरा बेबी बॉय वहाँ पे बहुत वेट कर रहा है यहाँ आने के लिए. So I'm gonna take him into the frame. Come, Kutus. Come. Let's unbox this. Play house आया है क्या तुम्हारा? It's huge. Are you excited? Come, sit here. Setting up a nursery for my lil one was always on my mind ever since I became pregnant last year. But the plan kept on being postponed due to some reason or the other, and now finally, 6 months into postpartum, and I have gotten the hang of it. I feel ready. Well, the baby became a little cranky. How can I forget about his frequent feedings and naps? I went aside to complete my mommy duties while his papa took over the task all alone. Well, this playhouse came with a foldable playpen and is made up of a strong, durable material. After doing a lot of research, I bought this one as my baby is in the crawling phase, and at times it is quite impossible for me to refrain him from crawling around the house, and there's always a constant fear of baby being hurt. So I hope this playpen along with the playhouse would serve its purpose. तो सबसे पहले यू हैव टू इंसर्ट दिस ओवर हियर, इसे प्रेस कर देना है और ये एयर सेक्शन टाइप का है, उसको आपको इसके अंदर इंसर्ट करना है सो दैट अच्छा ग्रिप बन जाए इसका फ्लोर पे. एंड देन ये वाला इसमें जाएगा, ये वाला जो पार्ट है ये यहाँ पे जाएगा सो दैट इट गेट्स लॉक्ड प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, और फिर आपको ये वाले बोल्ट को just you need to bolt it tight. Similarly this goes over here और इसको भी टाइट कर देना है. Alright, so finally हमने ये कर लिया है, setup is done already. सिर्फ गेट लगाना बाकी है. Complete. Oh, thank you. It's locked. Here we were doing the final check before bringing the baby inside. And yes, I didn't forget to sanitize it because that's a must. The door of the playpen is too adorable to be ignored. I finalized the process by sticking the customized teddy sticker. This is ready. Play with the balls? Yes. Yeah. Woo! In case you're wondering that this entire play area has been occupied permanently by these railings, so no, that's not certainly true. These railings are movable, and what you can do, you can loosen these nuts and just a little bit, and then these railings will be movable and you have to adjust it as per your required length. Did you see how easy it was to broaden the play area's railings? Uh, if you're thinking that you won't be able to clean the play area for your baby, no, that's not true. And also sanitization is very important. So whenever I want to clean this area, I just loosen the nuts and I collect all the railings over here, and then I'm good to go. अभी मैंने आपको बस ऐसे ही दिखाया है, just a rough thing, but after placing it nicely you have to tighten the nuts.